Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of Decor Menu. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today we will show you a collection of handmade rustic wall art to transform modern spaces, builds real income. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Handmade rustic wall hanging art decor has emerged as one of the most captivating elements in modern interior design, blending the authenticity of traditional craftsmanship with the refined tastes of contemporary aesthetics, creating a style that feels both grounded and timeless. In an era where technology, speed, and mass production shape much of daily life, handmade rustic pieces offer something profoundly human, an emotional connection to artistry, a sense of calm rooted in natural textures, and a narrative crafted through skilled hands rather than machines. These rustic wall hangings often incorporate materials like reclaimed wood, natural fibers, aged metals, or hand-woven textiles, each carrying its own story of time, use, and transformation. When placed on a wall within a modern home, such pieces do more than decorate. They act as visual anchors that introduce warmth, tactility, and depth, softening the sharp lines and cool surfaces that often characterize contemporary interiors. The interaction between rustic textures and modern spaces produces a striking harmony, making the handmade piece not just decor, but a focal point that elevates the entire ambience of a room. Part of the enduring beauty of rustic wall hangings lies in their imperfections, which reveal the hands of the maker and the history of the materials. These imperfections, weathered grain, uneven edges, subtle color variations, add personality and authenticity, reminding the viewer that beauty can be found in natural simplicity rather than polished uniformity. This authenticity resonates deeply with modern audiences seeking connection and meaning in the objects that fill their homes. While mass-produced decor offers convenience, it often lacks soul, and homeowners increasingly prefer pieces that carry emotional value, craftsmanship, and uniqueness. Handmade rustic wall art fulfills that desire by offering one-of-a-kind creations that reflect the artist's vision, the environment's influence on the materials, and the rich cultural heritage behind traditional crafting techniques. This resonance with authenticity makes rustic decor more than an aesthetic choice. It becomes a personal expression of values, such as sustainability, individuality, and appreciation for artistry. Moreover, handmade rustic wall decor creates a serene and grounding environment, making modern spaces feel more inviting and emotionally comforting. The natural elements embedded in rustic designs, wood, jute, clay, or textured fabrics, bring the calming essence of nature indoors, which is increasingly important in fast-paced urban lifestyles where people seek tranquility within their homes. These pieces balance the visual weight of modern design, offering softness where there is minimalism, warmth where there is glass and metal, and organic form where there is geometric precision. The result is an interior environment that feels harmonized, nurturing, and expressive. Rustic wall hangings can transform a plain wall into a storytelling canvas, an empty hallway into a cozy passageway, or a minimalist living room into a thoughtfully curated space with character. They invite touch, evoke emotion, and create memorable atmospheres that guests and residents alike can appreciate. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Beyond aesthetics, handmade rustic wall art carries significant cultural and historical value, often reflecting traditional crafting methods passed down through generations. When a homeowner displays such a piece, they are not only enhancing their interior, but also preserving and honoring craft heritage that might otherwise disappear in a world dominated by automated production. This cultural preservation adds depth to the artwork, giving it a purpose beyond decoration. It becomes a symbol of continuity, tradition, and human creativity across time, and this symbolism enhances its significance within modern interiors that benefit from thoughtful, culturally enriched design choices. In addition to the beauty and emotional impact of rustic wall hangings, their potential as sources of income is substantial, especially in a global market that increasingly values handmade goods. The rise of online marketplaces and social media has made it possible for artisans, small creators, and home-based craftsmen to reach customers worldwide who actively seek rustic and handmade decor. Because each piece is unique, handcrafted, and infused with personal creativity, it holds higher perceived value, allowing makers to price their work in a way that reflects both skill and labor. Rustic wall decor appeals to a wide audience, from homeowners decorating modern apartments to boutique hotels curating unique environments to interior designers searching for distinctive artwork for their clients. This broad demand creates a thriving market where even small-scale artisans can build sustainable income streams. The use of reclaimed or natural materials makes handmade rustic wall art particularly profitable, as the cost of raw materials is often low while the finished piece holds high aesthetic and emotional value. Many artists source wood from old barns, discarded furniture, demolished structures, or naturally fallen trees, transforming what would otherwise be waste into desirable art. This process not only reduces material costs, but also enhances the storytelling element of the piece, making it even more appealing to eco-conscious buyers. The growing movement toward environmentally responsible purchasing means that customers are willing to invest in decor items that minimize environmental impact and support small artisans rather than large manufacturers. As a result, handmade rustic wall hangings sit perfectly at the intersection of sustainability, beauty, and economic opportunity. Furthermore, creating rustic wall decor can be scaled according to the creator's goals. Some artisans craft a few pieces as a side income, while others turn their craft into full-time businesses, offering collections, custom orders, and collaborations with interior designers. Because handmade decor is evergreen in popularity and rustic styles consistently remain in demand, the market provides long-term stability and potential for brand growth. Artists can experiment with new textures, designs, and themes to continually refresh their offerings, making each creation a new opportunity for profit and artistic expression. Crafting rustic wall hangings also offers the personal reward of creating something meaningful, combining creativity with the satisfaction of building a sustainable livelihood. Ultimately, the beauty of handmade rustic wall hanging art decor lies not only in how it enhances modern interiors, but also in the deeper impacts it carries: emotional warmth, cultural preservation, environmental sustainability, and economic empowerment. These pieces bring soul into contemporary spaces, turning houses into homes and walls into stories. They remind us of the value of human touch in a world increasingly dominated by machines, and they offer artisans an avenue to express their creativity while generating income. As modern design continues to evolve, the charm of rustic handmade decor remains a timeless and powerful force, connecting past and present, art and economy, beauty and purpose in ways that enrich both the home and the maker. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our handpicked handmade rustic wall art to transforms modern spaces builds real income. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.